So I think the workshop will positively affect my professional development and skills by just being able to bring new skills to our clinic that we don't currently use. So I think CSF taps and joint taps and even female urinary catheters are things that we really don't do at the moment, and I think that a lot of our patients could benefit from that. Specific moment that stood out was being able to successfully arthrosentese the hip and shoulder joint. I think that all the educators that have been at the program have been really personable and super easy to talk to, so I haven't felt like any questions that I've had have been unreasonable or silly. And I think that they all have a huge amount of experience that is just super valuable to be around and to question. That all the pracs and lectures have had a really good vibe. Everybody has been pretty happy to learn, and it's been delivered in a way that's been really easy to pick up, especially if you haven't been at uni and been studying recently. I would recommend vet prac to my friends or even my colleagues at the clinic. I think they have a heap of different programs that are super useful. If someone was thinking about coming to a workshop, I would just say just go, because there's really no point not to. You're gonna get a lot more out of it than what you would by just not going and trying to learn these things yourself. I haven't attended any other CPD pracs before. I've done a couple of webinars and different talks. I think being in person at the vet practical sessions has been really valuable, and the skills that we learn are it's way easier to do it hands-on.